Tucked high above the coastline in Wilderness, South Africa, this cabin sits quietly between forest and sea, completely on its own with nothing but the sound of the waves and the view stretching endlessly out to the horizon. A short path through nature leads to this special cabin. Inside, everything's been carefully thought through. Even the compact bathroom feels open and bright. As you move through the cabin, the view opens up, warm light, endless ocean, and the steady sound of the waves. The cabin is designed for two, with a cozy queen bed right up front. And right next to it, there's a small kitchenette too. Stepping outside again, and there's even more space to take it all in, a sunlit terrace to enjoy during the day, with the perfect spot to watch the sun go down. Follow the path around the cabin and you will find all the little details that make this place unforgettable. An outdoor shower for hot summer days. A fire pit for quiet evenings under the stars. And then the hot tub, wood-fired and waiting, with just the sounds of the ocean below. Next to it, a chill-out spot and a gas grill, all perfectly positioned to catch the light, the view and the breeze. And as the day winds down, Cocoon Cabins settles into silence, with the last light painting the ocean and the waves still rolling in. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.